Mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this gorgeous unit from Asteria hair. So they went ahead and sent me their curly wave texture in 28 inches. It is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, and girl, it's giving vibes. Okay, so this curly wave hair is really long for 28 inches, and I talk more about that in the end of the video where I give you guys the rundown and the tea on this hair. So the links for this wig will be in the description box if you would like to purchase it off rip, which I would highly recommend because 250 density is giving. It's really thick, it's really full, and I know this is gonna last a long time. This is a vacation wig, and this is also an everyday wig. You literally could wear this wig every day, and trust me, you're still gonna have 250 density worth of hair on your head. So thank you so much to Asteria for sending this gorgeous, great quality wig. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see how I did this glueless install, because she's 100% glueless, honey, just keep on watching and let's jump into the tutorial. I'm finally finished, and this is what the hair is looking like. I just went ahead and did just like 2 little flat twists to just add some character to this wig, because we all seen like just curly hair being curly and it's cute. I love this wig, but I just wanted to add a little razzle dazzle, and I've been doing this lately and I'm in love with doing it. So you're gonna see this more often because I'm just living, okay, for this wig. This wig is actually a 28-inch 250 density curly wave wig. It is a HD lace frontal unit, and she's giving, okay. I'm so here for this hairline. Like, the plucking was so easy to do. Everything about this wig was easy. Probably the most time consuming thing of it all was just like detangling, because you have to make sure you get all these curls, okay. None of these curls deserve to be neglected, because this hair is giving. And trust me, whenever you detangle your wigs properly and you put like all the custards and curling stuff in it, you are doing the Lord's work. Because when that hair dries down naturally or diffused or however you dry your hair, it's just gonna look way better, 10 times better. So definitely do not neglect the whole detangling process. It is very much important. But as for right now, this is just where it's at on me. I scooted back throughout this frame so you guys could see like the actual length of the hair. So it is a tighter curl, but even though it is a tighter curl, it's giving length. When I put it behind me, it's giving touching my butt, and that is where 28 inches is usually at. This sorcery, because this 28 inch is really long for some curly hair. Usually if you see curly hair in a texture similar to this, like kinky curly, it'll be up here as 28. But girl, the length, everything. So Asteria hair, you did that. Curly wave texture is literally everything. So perfect for vacation, so perfect for Florida, because that's the state I'm in, and it's giving, okay. Like, go get your hands on this wig. The links will be in the description box in order to do so, and definitely don't forget to go ahead and check it out, because you will have coupon codes in there and all that jazz. Asteria generally has affordable long hair wigs, so don't forget to go ahead and check it out. And thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna just go now because I gotta clean up and I gotta do someone's hair, so I'll see you all in my next one. Bye babes.